Okay, had a bolt and it was broken off inside of the shaft, and it was really far in there, and didn't want to come out, mainly because it had loctite on the threads. So we did torch it, tried to break it free that way, and then show you we did. We took the drill bits and we drilled all the way through the remaining of the bolt, as you can see, so that we could get the biggest extractor in there, right? And also so that we could kind of like relieve stress on the bolt. And so this is a Warrior kit, and it was pretty good, I'm gonna say, for your Harbor Freight set, you know what I mean? We were able to drill through the bolt, and I was able to get the biggest extractor in there, which I was pretty sure was not going to break off. And as you can see, it's perfect. We drilled right through that puppy dog, all the way through it, you know. And what's kind of cool too is these are bits are don't go in the direction that normal bits go in, so that when they do bite and such, you can, they're called counterclockwise or whatever, but anyway, they have a tendency to pull the bolt out of the, out, right? You know, versus tightening it. They turn and cut this direction on these drill bits. So they want to turn the thing out, and sometimes they do. You'll be using it, and you'll get down there trying to drill it out, and the whole thing will just come out. But um, I think that's a thing of beauty right there. If you see how perfectly we just drilled through, and I can say that we used the center punch in there. I don't know, I can show you a center punch, but we used a good center punch at first, because you need to do that. And we started off with a smaller drill bit. All right, don't start off with the big drill bit right there. We started off with the smaller one. I think it was this one, probably. And we drilled through with it first, right after we made our center punch to get the hole started, and then worked our way up so that you're not taking out a huge amount of metal out of each pass. So if you are going to do this, you need to first make sure you get a center punch and get it on the center when you start. Start with the small one, but don't try and extract it with the small one, because that's what people do, and then they break it off. Try and work your way up through the extractors until you get to the largest extractor that you can put in there, right, without going through the casing of the bolt. At least that's what I always do, and as you can see, that's a pretty fine looking um, job there.